Hello traders, welcome to the Bull and Bear Zone. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video, we're going to discuss about the most powerful features that TradingView provides for free compared to other trading charting tools that the brokerage platforms provide you. So with this, let's get started with today's video. So in this video, we are not going to discuss about the common features like the drawing and measuring tools that is on the right side. Rather, we are going to discuss more on the social, creative, and the informative part of TradingView. So let's start with the watch list first. So watch list, you all must be knowing it already that you have an import and export function and you can have multiple watch lists here. Along with that, the bottom side of the watch list is the information on the script. You will have the range of the market for the day, and you will also have the expectation, the financial statement, and further informations that you will find. These will be the basic informations. And going on to the next one, this will be the alert area. So you can set up alerts by just clicking on this plus button. When you are going on the chart, you can find it. You can add here, so you can just click on this add and your alert will be active. So on the free account, you only have one active alert. But when you go for the paid plans, you will get multiple accounts. The multiple alerts, you will get it from there. So the third option is the news. Whatever script that you're loading, TradingView will fetch information relating to that. This will save a lot of your time if you are someone that who is giving importance for the news and wanted to know what exactly happens on the market. You don't have to wait for someone else to tell you what is happening in the market, or you don't have to go for multiple places to see what is happening in the market. So this is a very, very simple click of a button. You get that here. So now this fourth option here is the data window. This provides you the data of open, high, close, low, change, and all those things. So you don't have to go to the chart to, find out the open price, high, low, and all those things. So it is very difficult to do it that way, but it is very simple. Just in a click of a button, you will get it here. The fifth one is a hot list. So this is a indicator that is built in. If you wanted to know the top gainer, top loser, and all this kind of information, you don't have to go to NSE site. You can directly get it in TradingView. There are a lot of other brokers also providing you this information, but it is very simple here. Just when you are looking at the chart parallelly, you can see it in the same window. But you can see that as of now, it is showing BSE's information. I will show you how to change BSE into NSE. You can directly go here. Then you find the India NSE. Then you can see here that there are multiple options provided here by TradingView. You can select one. So as of now, I am selecting the percentage change gainer. This is the top gainer. And the second one, I will choose India NSE again. So it is open. Now I'm choosing the low. So I have got the top gainer, top loser. Then I will look for volumes always. So let me also find the volume gainer here. Yeah, I've got the volume gainer as well. So I have got the top gainer, top loser, and the volume gainer. So this is a very, very useful indicator that I have it with the TradingView. You can use it in multiple other ways as well. So you have got the gap analysis also. So you can find which stock has got the maximum gap. It's basically of your preference. You can select whichever you want. And this is the calendar option. So I don't feel this to be very precise. So let's ignore this as of now. Now, the next option we have here is my idea. So in this option, what you can have is like, this is basically like, it will give you information on your reach on your post. If you post anything, it will tell you like how many people have seen it, how many people have liked it. So that kind of information, you get it here in my ideas. Then the second one, this is not that relevant if you're trading in Indian stocks or indexes. But otherwise, if you're trading in Forex, you will get a lot of inputs from these kind of chats. They are very active, but Indian chat groups are not that active. Then if you are making any private chats, then it will be available here. This is idea stream. If somebody is posting ideas, then you will get it in this area. So I will tell you what this idea basically is. It is not showing here for me right now because I have not signed into any of my accounts. So that is the reason it is asking me to sign in. And if I would have signed in, I will get all the ideas and the updates here in this place. So let me show you. If you see the bulb here, if you make this bulb glow, so the ideas will start appearing in your chart. Now you can see that this is my idea that I have posted today, and you can also see others' idea. And the beauty of this is basically it sticks on to the time frame. If you move on to a different time frame, you may not see this idea. You will see some other idea, somebody else posting idea. You see on a day chart, there are so many people posting their ideas, but on a hourly chart, there are very less number of people posting their ideas. So if you move on to a even smaller time frame, like 15 minutes, you can see there are still people posting. This is not basically, you will not find my idea here because it is basically the time frame. So if you are a 15 minutes time frame trader, you get inputs from 15 minutes people, people who trade 15 minutes time frame. And if you are a 1 hour trader, 1 hour time frame trader, then you will get inputs from a 1 hour trading community. So you basically stick with a lot of relevance in trading view. So you don't have to basically have a huge broad idea about the market, and you basically sit with no clue and you make your own assumptions. You feel like the time that you will put to see the other people's videos, comments, and all these things becomes useless at times because it's not relevant to your time frame. So I think this is going to help a lot of retail traders, which none of the other trading platforms are providing as of now. So this is an ultimate feature that everyone have to use. And the final one on the list is the notification. If you're following to a specific people, you get notifications from them, so that you will receive it here. And the other things on this side may not be that useful for us, for the Indian traders, because this is the order panel, and this is going to be the depth chart and the other things. Basically, you get this active if you're trading in Forex, because FXCM is one of the broker uh, that is linked with TradingView, but otherwise Indian brokers are not linked with TradingView, so you cannot use the other features. So we are coming to the end with this left side, but now we will move on to the top. So we have got the script name, then we have got the time frame, then we have got the chart type, then we have got the compare option, the indicators, financials, templates, alerts, replay, and undo option here. So now let's start with the script name. So you don't have to always go to this script name here to change to a next script. All you can do is just click on anywhere in the chart, and then you start typing your new script name or your desired script name. Then your script directly appears in here, just like this. See that? So I'm not going to that corner to do this thing. And if you wanted to close it, all you have to do is just press the escape button. And on the time frame here, so you it shows, as of now it shows only one time frame. And if you wanted to move on to the next time frame, you just have to click on to that, and then it will show a drop down like this. But if you wanted your favorite time frame in your title itself, so all you have to do is just make it as a favorite, and it will be available there. Yeah, you see that 3 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. So you can just move with this thing. So you don't have to go for a drop down every single time. And chart, I suggest you to stick on to candlesticks. It's way better compared to other chart types. It's my suggestion, but it's up to you to make your decision. And compare, this is a fantastic option here. See, now we have got only this free version, so you will not have multiple layout options. If you have multiple layout options, this may be a useless tool, but since we are using a free version, this makes a lot of difference. So a lot of traders use India Wix for their reference. So here, if I want to use India Wix, I don't have to go for a next screen. Just like using an RSI as an indicator, I can have India Wix along with the other indicators on my screen. So I don't have to take my eye out of my screen to see what's happening on India VIX. You see that Nifty performed like that and India VIX dropped like anything. So it's now in 19, and this is how you can use this compare tool. And on the indicators in free version, like I already told you, they allow you with 3 indicators, and that's the maximum that you can have with free. And on paid version, there is no limits. You can put indicator on indicator to make your assumptions. So sky is the limit if you are like going for a pro version or a premium version. So financials, okay, this is very, very important. So you find a stock that has got a crucial, price action candlestick pattern. So now you wanted to decide if you wanted to actually have this stock in your portfolio. So all you have to do is like you will basically go into screener.com, and then there are multiple other websites to see how the company has fundamentally performed. But you don't have to go to those places to see those information, because TradingView is providing just at the right place. You just have to click on this financials and you have all the informations right in here. So you don't have to go to screener.com every time to understand the fundamentals of the symbol. So you can directly do it with financials here. Templates, you can save your templates, your indicator templates, everything you can save it here. So next time when you are going to a new chart, you can just load it by template. But otherwise, like this indicators stick on, if you are even changing the chart, the same indicator will be applied to the new script as well. And alert, like I already told you, the same thing here. Replay is a premium feature that you will get it in the paid versions. Undo, you can do it in case if you have accidentally made align and means sorry. So yeah, you align here and then you moved it, you wanted to do it back, so you use that undo option there. It's very useful. This is the layout option. You do it, you only have one layout option in the free version, but if you're going for the premium versions, you get multiple options here. So this is an auto save feature. Whatever changes that you make to your chart, it saves automatically. And you wanted to see only your chart in full screen, you use this option. You wanted to take a screenshot, you use this option. So you don't have to use a snipping tool all the time. You just have to make sure that you have this option in your mind to take screenshots. You have it there. And I think that's about the top portion. Now coming to the bottom portion, I think here text note is one of the important features that we should notice. So you can make your interpretations into this area. So you have your ideas always whenever you have your trading view. There is no limits here. This is the free option you can use. So the stock screener, this does not work great. There are a lot of other tools as of now in the market which are way better than what TradingView is providing in this regards. But Pine Editor, this helps you actually code your own indicators in TradingView. Then Strategy Tester, not a great tool. Then Trading Panel, you have one option you can use for India, which is paper trading. So can help you in practicing your trading ideas. So that's it. I think we have covered mostly the things that people do not concentrate more on TradingView. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please give it a like, and I will catch you up in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.